So I'll probably give away my age at this point, but I think I became a SAMPE member right out of college when I joined the industry, and that would put us back in 1985.
My father started the company, and his first SAMPE was 1965.
I've been to every SAMPE since 1993. I believe we've been exhibiting since the 70s.
Hexcel has been a long-standing exhibitor here at SAMPE, at the SAMPE Expo. It's a must-go-to show.
So I've seen it go through the big heydays, and actually it's been incredibly efficient seeing all the old-time folks and people that I know and interface with at the show already today.
The organization was instrumental in help getting AirTech kind of on the map.
It's a great way to see a lot of old customers, meet some new customers, catch up on projects.
I think what we've learned is that we needed to grow, right? The industry is growing. There's a lot of growth in aerospace in particular. So along with that growth, we needed to be able to accommodate more people in our booth.
There's a lot of different composite shows, but getting back to the technical roots, especially being the CTO, having my teams come and attend the technical sessions and come up to speed with everything that's going on, it's just a great opportunity for advancing the industry into the future.
The people we meet has led to a lot of relationships and, of course, a lot of sales.
You know, we're a leader in developing lightweight composite materials for the industry. So we would be, if we were not here, we would be conspicuously absent. This is the place to be.
You know, look at our example. We've been doing it for so long. It must be working if somebody's willing to be an exhibitor every year since the early 80s or the late 70s, whenever we started. And it's a great way to have an introduction to the industry, is to come to SAMPE.